up, doggy? How are we?
We're here at Nash Vegas. This is clearly turned into the new hot spot. Everyone seems like they're partying, maybe hurting a little bit this morning. We had low turnout early in the morning, maybe had a night at the bars. We're all locked in, ready for the night show. We're gonna go win this.
Yeah, good vibes coming in, and yeah, track's good. It's a day race on NBC, so what to complain about? It's gonna be a good night, and hopefully we win tonight.
Yeah, we're in Nashville, man. Music City. It's been a fun weekend so far. We got a lot of cool stuff going on. Track's interesting. It's you know, a little dry, a little wet, a little sandy, a little everything. So we'll see how it ends up being. But yeah, let's have a good day.
Yeah, building off a good weekend last weekend, and Nashville hard packed, so it's pretty slick out there, I'd say, and it's an adjustment coming off St. Louis last weekend with all the ruts. So just yeah, gonna try to figure out a good setup for the day and go out there and attack.
Yeah, it was a good day today. I got off to a decent start. I was probably 5th or something off the start, and yeah, made it happen. Let the race come to me, and yeah, it was a good race, and felt good today.
Race day was pretty good, actually. Rode really well in the heat, but ended up 3rd. But yeah, main event, terrible start. Just made some passes, got myself into kind of like a podium position. Was catching Hill, got around him, and then Kenny, you know, gave us a little bit of a gift. But yeah, it was good to get a second, get the ball rolling in a good way after these last few weekends.